What if your furniture gave you the power to transform your room in an instant? We designed Hook to be assembled and disassembled in seconds with no tools or hardware, so you can spend more time doing the things that matter most. With our patented SnapLock system, you can go from working out to working from home in seconds. Our ultra-slim yet sturdy furniture is easily stored away and assembled when you need it, allowing you to make the most of your space. Hook's revolutionary system not only makes assembly faster than ever, but also creates a unique and timeless design you'll be proud to show family and friends. And what if your furniture helped preserve our planet by giving plastic waste a new life? We take 100% recycled plastic sheets and precision machine them into beautiful components, which are then hand finished to ensure the highest quality product. Hook uses local, sustainably sourced wood and durable water-based finishes to minimize your environmental footprint and maximize the life of your furniture. Designed and made to order in our workshop in Brooklyn, New York, each Hook piece assembles in seconds and will last a lifetime. Hook, the world's fastest furniture.